Jeep CJ, and just showing how this must for rust cleans off the rust. So next thing I'll end up doing is cutting some cardboard and making the insulator between the different posts, and that cardboard will get cut, folded, and then coated with either clear acrylic or clear lacquer, something to preserve it. So that's what the Must for Rust will do. It's an excellent product, and then I use a wire brush to scrape it. So it's a good product for stopping rust and cleaning it up. Headlight bus, it's all finished. Got some clear lacquer on it. Got my cardboard insulators. Don't look too bad. I think it'll work.